All right. It's your trainer for life, Joey Atlas, back with another 1-minute mega tip. Today we're doing the safe squat sculptor. And even if you have traditional bad knees, you might be able to do this. Doesn't matter if you're beginner, intermediate, advanced, you're gonna like adding this move to your repertoire. Or if you're just getting started again, this is the gentle, safe way to do it without going beast mode, without killing it, bro, without having to be a boss lady, weightlifter woman to get results. No. All that's nonsense, bogus. That's for all those people who like doing that stuff, but it's not for us regular people who need safe, soft, gentle, sustainable ways of doing this fitness stuff that brings us the results we deserve, okay? Safe squat sculptor, here we go. Oh, you might be wondering, who is this guy? I'm Joey Atlas, master's degree exercise physiologist, women's body enhancement specialist, cellulite reversal expert, and private health and fitness coach. That's the short on the background, but more importantly is what I've got for you today. Unique and different is how we do things here. You're just seeing a little tip of the iceberg, but this is what you get started with today. Slow squat sculptor. Here's what you're gonna do. Knees are bent, hips slightly bent, leaning forward just a little bit, arms in front of you like this. You can put them like this, you can put them like this, you can put them here. Good posture, eyes looking forward. You are going to spread the feet out one step. That's it, one step apart. You're gonna come down 3 inches, 1, 2, 3. Beginners, you're just gonna hold this. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, you come up. When you come up, only come up 95% of the way. Do not come up all the way. We see millions of fitness instructors and influencers doing all this stuff all day, popping up, locking the knees back. Do not lock your knees back. Keep a slight bend to the top. Intermediates, here's what you're gonna do. You got that one step apart. You come down 3 inches. You lean onto one side. You lift this leg up in front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We shift over. Beginners, you're gonna do the same one we started with again. Intermediates, you're gonna do this. Other leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, beginners, we come back. Intermediates, we come back. We go a little bit lower now, 6 inches. We go down 6 inches. We hold. Beginners, you hold right here for 5 seconds. Count it. Intermediates, we're down here. We're gonna shift again, lift. We're balancing on one side. Check this out. You get to see what it looks like from the side. I'm gonna show you the other side. We hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna switch it to the other side. Beginners, you come up for a little rest, only 95% of the way up. Here's what it looks like. We hold. Let me tell you something. My glutes, my thighs, they are working, okay? Beginners, that's where you stop. You can repeat those two again. Intermediates, we're gonna go a little lower. We start here. Now we go down about 9 inches. We shift, we lift, we count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that other side. Woo, ooh, baby. All right, you get the idea. Intermediates, add that to your routine. If you don't have a routine, I've got a full free routine for you, toned at home. Check the link below or above. I've got at least 3 unique exercises for you that you can add this to. And you're gonna start toning, sculpting, shaping, getting the results on all the zones that you've never been able to improve the way you really want to. And hopefully this old guy, master's degree exercise physiologist, by showing you, by example, the gentle and slow way of training, how we get results for ourselves, how we get results for our clients, locally, long distance, and all of our video instructional programs. All right, check the link. I'll see you on the next page. Welcome to my world, and thank you for welcoming me to your world.